Hi everyone, welcome to Narayana's live classes, subject science for grade 5. Today we are going to discuss about plant reproduction in agriculture topic, and we are going to discuss about the word bank referred from the workbook, Sadhana workbook at page number 2. So we are going to discuss about Sadhana workbook's word bank page number 2. Word bank or word box are the listed words or keywords present in the chapter. So what we have learnt in about those keywords we are going to discuss here. The first Roman, unscramble the given words. If you see some words here, some letters here which are arranged in a scrambled way, they are not in a proper way. We have to rearrange them. It means we are going to unscramble them. That is, we are going to arrange them in a proper way, and we are going to get a meaningful word from the scrambled words, scrambled letters here. Let us start. The first word here, the first word is, if you see, PRERDOUNOTIC. It is the word which is scrambled completely. From that we are going to take out the meaningful word. If you observe, this word represents or suggests or it gives the meaningful word called as, yes, it is reproduction. It is reproduction. 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 Reproduction means giving birth to the next generation or new ones. Second word, MRIGNEAOTNI. This is a reproduction process of the plant. For a plant, reproduction is something which takes place from the seed. So plant grows into a seed grows into a plant. Okay, that process of growing of plant from the seed is called as germination. So this word is germination. Germination. Germination is a process of growth of a seed into the plant. Now, third one, YECTDOONSL. These are the letters which are scrambled form of cotyledons. You know what is cotyledon? A cotyledon is the outer covering of the seed, or simply to say, it is the one which protects the baby seed, and it also gives the food to the baby plant. COTYLEDON. Cotyledon. It is the one which protects the baby plant and provides the food to it. Now coming to the fourth one. This one is the word which explains about the scattering of the seeds. Seeds get scattered, and that process is called as dispersal. This is the word dispersal. 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 Dispersal means seeds get scattered. There are so many ways where seeds get scattered. That process of scattering of seeds is called as dispersals. Now last, coming to the fifth word. One of the process of dispersal. The word represents one of the process of dispersal. It is explosion. Explosion is observed in the plants such as peas and the lady's finger. Those kind of seeds get dispersed by explosion. So this word is explosion. 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 So let us recollect the words again. This is reproduction, reproduction. Reproduction means giving birth to the next generations. Okay. And in plant, reproduction takes place in the seed. Seed grows into a plant. The process is called as germination. 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 Now third one is cotyledon. Cotyledon is a part of the seed which protects and provides the food to the baby plant. Cotyledon. Cotyledon. Fourth one is dispersal. Dispersal is a process of spreading of the seeds. Seeds get scattered. They move. They are moved away from here and there. There are so many methods or so many agents which carry the seeds from one place to another place. The process of this scattering of seeds is called as dispersal. 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 Now coming to the last one, explosion. Explosion is a process of dispersal. One of the process of dispersal. Peas, lady's finger, and such kind of seeds get dispersed through explosion. 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 Now coming to the second Roman number question. A wrong word is given in the following sentences. Identify the wrong word and replace it with the correct word. See, in the given sentences, some place at some word is given wrongly. You have to identify that wrong word and replace it with the suitable correct word. Let us see the first one. Crops grown from May to October are called Rabi crops. In India, we have two crop seasons. One is Rabi and other is Kharif. Okay. From May to October, one season, and again the next season. It is a continuous process. So Rabi and Kharif, these are the two seasons. In this, which word is wrongly given? Let us see. Crops grown from May to October are called Rabi crops. May to October are called as Rabi crops. Are you sure? No. Rabi crops are not grown during May to October. From May to October, the crop season is called as Kharif. We call it as Kharif. So, by correcting are called Kharif crops. We call them as Kharif crops. From May to October, they are called as Kharif crops. Now coming to the next question. The science or practice of growing crops is called as germination. Crops are grown where? In the field, in the agricultural field. The process of growing new crops is called as agriculture, not germination. Germination is growth of seed into a plant, whereas growing crops, it is a science of growing of crops. It is agriculture. So, the answer is the science or practice of growing crops is called agriculture. We see agriculture, the practice of agriculture we see in villages. The people who practice the process of agriculture are called as farmers. Now coming to the next question. Farmers use vegetative propagation to get rid of pests. You know what are pests? Pests are the insects which spoil the crop. To kill those pests, farmers, what they do? Do they follow vegetative propagation? No, they don't follow vegetative propagation. They use pesticides. Pesticides is the suitable word we have to replace here with vegetative propagation. Farmers use pesticides to get rid of pests. To kill those pests, farmers use pesticides. They are the chemicals which are used to kill the pests. Okay. Now coming to the fourth one. The process of reproduction of plants from different parts is known as agriculture. You know what is growing of plants from the different parts? You see different plants reproduce through different parts. Some will reproduce through their seeds, some are reproduced through their roots, some are reproduced through their stems, some are from their leaves, and some of them are reproduced by at their bulbs or buds. For example, if you see a rose plant, you might have seen a rose plant. How it is grown? Rose plant, it is grown by stem cutting process. Stem is cut and sown in the soil, and new plant grows from the stem of the rose. Similarly, sugarcane, and also if you see potato, all these are from stems. And if you see carrot or radish, they grow from their roots. Okay, and onion, underground stem. Onion grows from their underground stem. Like that, the process of this reproduction at various parts are used to reproduce new plants. It is called as vegetative propagation. Process of reproduction of plants from different parts is known as vegetative propagation. In the vegetative propagation, not only seeds, various parts are used to reproduce new plant. For example, bryophyllum. Bryophyllum is a plant which reproduces through its leaf. Lastly, farmers add pesticides to the soil so that the crops are grown well. See here, pesticides. Why pesticides are used? To get rid of pests. Whereas here the word given wrong here is pesticides. What they will add for the growth of a good crop? They will add fertilizers and manures. Farmers add fertilizers. to the soil so that the crops grow well. Okay. So, by adding fertilizers, fertility of the soil increases and farmers will get a good crop. In this way, agriculture is done. So, hope you have understood how the process of agriculture is and what happens during agriculture. And in the next session, we will meet again. Till then, have a safe day. Thank you.